Hi guys, sometimes we get the question, did you put on the ISO? What are the packages on your system? What do we get if we install ArcoLinux B Plasma, for instance, right? So one of these questions, how to solve this question is, for example, launching Sofi. Sofi is short for Sofirem, and Sofirem is then very short for Software Installer and Remover. And in here, we've added Explore the ArcoLinux ISO packages. So if you want to know what goes on the ArcoLinux XS ISO, you can do so. Right, make it a little bit bigger. And then you just navigate and say, okay, so that's gonna be on the system. ZSH is gonna be there. XFCE is gonna be there, and the goodies are there. So you know, and variety is there. A lot of stuff is on here. You can use the search. Is Firefox gonna be on the system? Sure it is. Is Vivaldi gonna be there? No, it's no Vivaldi. Is there Chromium? There's no Chromium. So it's just the one browser, and so on and so on. So this is another way for you to find out, hey, what did you install on Plasma, we told? So go and have a look. And this is Plasma. So if you start with the P, and let's have a look. Plasma is here, Plasma framework. So that these guys, it's always about choices, right? What do we put on the ISO? There are different things you can do. So we chose to have Plasma framework, and have no clue what it is, this is about, what I'm speaking about. Arch Wiki Plasma. Google it, read the whole page, and then you'll get a grasp of, Plasma is actually a group package, and so on and so on. All right, have fun learning. This is one of the ways to investigate what did we put on a certain ISO, and have a look at the choices we've made, and you make your own choices. And that's what you do in the ArcoLinuxB.com website. That's where you build your own version of ArcoLinux. Change. I don't want this. I don't want that. And so on. And you want more. Change it, build it. You've got your own ISO. Cheers.